This is a complicated killing challenge for black. So white's ice space is really big, and it's not that easy for black to go in. So you can try some of the moves on your own, but most likely white will be able to capture black in a capture race. So the correct first move is actually to play this push. White blocks this way. And now here's some weakness in the corner. You might be thinking about this clamping move, but it's actually wrong because white can simply give up these two stones and achieve a living shape this way. So black fails. Black's number 3 must be here. And now this is all about how to kill white here on the corner, given its very large ice space. Now 1, 3, 5, and 7 are the correct sequence here. And what white will do is just to try to increase its own ice space, like this. And now black can play this move, right? Just this bend and connect, forcing white to connect here. And now all black needs to do is simply standing down here. Even though white has an 8 space eye, due to the corner's special characteristics, this is not a Seki, and this is a pattern where white is completely dead. So if white plays here, then black can simply play this. If white plays more, this will be a bulky 5 shape. If white doesn't play, this will be a real eye versus no eye situation. If white plays here, black can play this move. And if white plays here, this will be a bulky 5 shape. If white plays here, this will be a fake Seki shape. It's not Seki because there's only one mutual liberty, and white eventually will have to fill it in. And if white doesn't play, eventually white will also have to fill in these liberties. Otherwise, black will be able to capture white like this, forming a real eye versus no eye on the outside for white. So 16 and 17 are mi eye. White can only occupy one, but not both. But of course, you might be wondering that white can play this cut. It will capture number 9, right? This will be disastrous for black if it tries to escape, right? It cannot escape. Number 9 is already dead. So what should black do after white's number 18? It should be right here. This works as well, forcing white to capture, and now it's hard for white to come out. But number 19 here, it's very hard for white to come out, because now number 9 can escape with number 19's help. And white plays here, there's just too many black stones on the outside. So that is why white's number 18 will not work. Now if white plays on this side, black can simply play this bend and connect, forcing white to play at 10 and 12. And now black needs to play this move. If white plays here, now black can play this move. And this is very similar to one of the previous patterns where white will have to capture a bulky 5 or pyramid 4 shape. Both are dead shapes, or white will be captured in a real eye versus no eye situation because white cannot build a real eye here on the outside. If white plays here, then black can play this move. And once again, this will be a real eye versus no eye situation. What happens now is that white cannot play here or here because black can simply fill this in, and this will be a bulky 5 shape. But if white waits for black, then black will exhaust all the liberties on the outside, and this will become a real eye. Because white can no longer fill in at 22, black will capture white like this. And if black ever needs to capture white, it can just capture white like this. So that is why, after number 15, white is already dead. So solving this problem requires a very good understanding of what is a Seki or mutual life shape, what is not a Seki or mutual life shape, and what happens when you make this kind of eyes on the side and on the corner. So if you're not feeling comfortable with these patterns, please feel free to review Chapter 2, where I explain the basic patterns, as well as the Seki and mutual life shapes. Again, this problem is very complicated. There are probably at least half a dozen other patterns that I did not cover here, but if you have any questions, please let me know. Good luck, and thank you for watching.